the top 5 crypto stories of the day that you must know. With me, Tor Constantino. Let's get to it, Tor. What's the first story?
Right off the bat, Solana's rally continues. They surpassed $100 milestone. The Ethereum competitor rallied more than 10% over 24 hours to test a new all-time high. Their impressive pump started on August 15th. It increased over 126% since then. It's amazing what they've done in a short amount of time. And a lot of it's due to institutional investor interest. New York-based Osprey Funds registered Osprey Solana Trust with the SEC last week. That could be the first private Solana investment offering in the U.S. What's the flip side on Solana, Martynas?
There's no flip side for Solana just yet. There is flip side to Ethereum, however. The gas fees, it's unbelievable. It's as if a volcano erupted in gas fee form. I've received reports, and don't quote me on this, that someone tried to actually sell an NFT and it cost them upwards of $900.
I heard
that's just
same thing.
That's just insane. Now then, CryptoPunks, notwithstanding, are now worth, actually more than a Lamborghini. That is why I think Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, these Ethereum killers, they have the neon green light, while Ethereum is trying to, yet again, as we said before, to get its together. What's the other story, Tor?
Well, the second story is a nice segue. Ethereum appears to be the most sought-after network in the crypto space. Ether and ETH-based products haven't suffered too badly. They've gained significant momentum after the London upgrade and the continuing rise of the NFT market that you mentioned earlier. And that largely relies on the Ethereum network to operate right now. So this led to Ethereum-based products reaching 13.8 billion after a nearly 73% monthly growth. And according to Crypto Compare, Ethereum's total share of the crypto market is just over 25%, the highest level of this year. They seem to be doing things right, but what's the flip side for this Ethereum news?
Well, the flip side is gas fees, gas fees, gas fees. I mean, this whole split, what happened right before the weekend and over the weekend, that actually that many projects did not update their code before. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not the kind of news that you'll care about. If you're a hodler, everything will be fine in the long run. When you have a project of such size, of such velocity, some things will happen that will kind of halt your momentum. Right now, Ethereum is going out of sheer momentum, no matter what kind of little chinks in the armor we could see. Cardano, Solana are right on its heels, and it's really interesting to see 3 years from now what will happen. The last AMA with Charles Hoskinson, I truly wish everyone would watch that, as well as watch other videos of DailyCoin. You can subscribe right here. And watch the AMA with Charles Hoskinson. He really laid down the framework of what will happen in the future for the Cardano mainnet, and what will happen for smart contracts, etc. Now, what's the other news, Tor?
3 quick hits for you in the government news. Dubai. Bittrex CEO Stefan Steinberg has said that Dubai can benefit from the growing cryptocurrency market within the Middle East as Dubai's regulators are pushing toward acceptance of Bitcoin-based tech. He said that the United Arab Emirates and Dubai are doing all of the right things, quote unquote, to attract regional projects, including status as a tax-free destination. Next up, Honduras. They've installed the first cryptocurrency ATM as demand for digital assets keeps growing. Neighboring El Salvador implements Bitcoin as legal tender, and their clock is ticking for that to implement this week. Honduras doesn't want to be left behind, and Honduran firm TGU Consulting will convert local currency to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Last up in this set, China. They're aiming to build an international clearing and settlement network for mobile payments using the digital yuan. China also wants to use the digital yuan to monitor and detect cross-border currency flows. No surprise there. A lot of government activity surrounding crypto. What's the flip side on that, Martynas?
The flip side is quite simple. It couldn't have come soon enough. But I'm glad that Honduras, El Salvador, come on. Do we really think this will move the needle? No. What I'm looking for is that one of the G20 actually makes a move. When the US actually can come to an agreement, do you want to be innovative or do you want to be strict? Either you have to put innovation forward and say, look, let's just have a free-for-all and let the technology decide what will happen. Because right now, it's a little bit of that and a little bit of regulation. It cannot work that way. That is why when I see government news, I say, okay, it's good on a small scale and it's good to actually have a pie in the sky, right? So this is what will be when G20 countries, if I could speak properly, will actually adopt crypto. Now,
well, we've got Binance, the biggest crypto exchange, had removed its Norwegian Krone trading pairs, the Krone payment options, and Norwegian language website support effective immediately. Norwegian regulators, they were warning back in June of risks related to cryptocurrencies, and it feels like it's come to pass that Binance has just removed that risk completely. Norway, by the way, is the world's most cashless country. Additionally, Binance Futures are going to launch a new Automate network, Tether-based perpetual contract tomorrow. The Automate network is a decentralized service protocol that helps maintain privacy for dApps on Ethereum and Polkadot. Seems Binance facing more regulatory issues. What's the flip side there?
Norway is usually one of those countries which is quite forward-thinking, and I'm just surprised, actually. I don't think it will move the needle. Audience at home, you can rest easy. This will not really affect your portfolio. However, if you're a Norwegian, there are other exchanges. We won't try to plug them here, but what are some exchanges which you would use, Tor?
Well, I tend to use Coinbase because it's simplest. I also think Gemini is an excellent exchange. I like Kraken a lot as well. So if I had the top two that I use, Kraken and Coinbase.
For more European-centric audience, there's also ChangeNow.io. There's even currency.com is doing something. Also, for example, Bitpanda. Oh, wow. So this is just giving audience at home just a healthy mix, not sponsored in any way. Basically, you don't have to be tethered to Binance, right? Although their customer service and current fee structure are one of the best. Do you have any other ending remarks for this news, Tor?
The only thing, just one quick NFT point which is kind of significant.
Oh, NFT news.
No, it's okay, it's okay. These are going to be quick and worthwhile. OpenSea's monthly trading volume surpassed $2 billion in a month for August. In July, it reached just over 300 million. That's more than a 6x increase. OpenSea is pumping, and you mentioned earlier about CryptoPunks becoming more expensive. The cheapest NFT punk right now, more than 100 Ethereum. That's about 350,000 US right now.
The cheapest.
That's the cheapest. The most expensive, I can't even say it without laughing, the most expensive CryptoPunk available is estimated at 3.6 trillion US.
Excuse me, what?
The most expensive CryptoPunk available is estimated at $3.6 trillion US.
Trillion.
That's what it's priced at. It's crazy town, I know. Unbelievable.
I need more than a coffee, Tor. Hopefully you do too. Like, share, and subscribe to get more $1 trillion worth of news. Thank you for watching, and join us in tomorrow's episode. Thank you, everybody. Tor, I need to go look at those CryptoPunk prices. Thank you. See you next time.